Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study online effectively. First, find a quiet, dedicated space where you can focus without interruptions. Next, set up a consistent daily study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 hours each morning. Before starting, ensure you have all your notes, textbooks, and a fully charged device ready. This preparation is crucial for a productive learning experience. To truly grasp the material, engage actively. Don't just passively watch. Pause videos frequently to process information and attempt practice questions. Summarize key concepts in your own words as you take notes, which helps with retention. If you encounter difficulties, utilize online forums or discussion groups to ask questions and learn from peers. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Make it a habit to revisit older topics, perhaps for 30 minutes daily, to keep the information fresh. Regularly solve practice questions and take mock tests to assess your understanding and identify areas needing improvement. Focus your extra study time on these weaker subjects to build a strong foundation. Staying motivated is key to sustained online learning. Set clear, achievable goals like completing 1 chapter per day to track your progress. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind. Connecting with a study group can also provide valuable support and keep you accountable, making the journey more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.